English dictation 100 words per minute start. I think that would be the best expression of our culture, and that is where it has been preserved. Kingdom have changed in India, kings have changed, they have come and gone, but the creative spirit of the people of India has persisted in spite of changes of power. So let us not bind culture of the power structure and say that this alone will be culture. That will be the death knell of culture. Government should act as a catalyst of promotion, and creativity does not know any norms. Once we try to standard this creativity, I think we kill it at the some time. The sort of culture that we present packaged entertainment, what does it mean? Some perform, other enjoy, and the gatekeeper does not know what is going on. He is not supposed to see. He is just there to control people coming in and going out. It is not correct. I remember even in my childhood, the whole village participated without distinction. Nobody was a gatekeeper saying that the cultural show was going on inside and he was the gatekeeper. The poorest shared. I think we all have had that experience. That is what we want to strengthen. And here we have to take care of various varieties of expression, that we have the richness of it in various remote area, north, south, east and west. It cannot be standardized here in Delhi into one, so our effort will be one of genuine self expression and creativity, which is participative and authentic. As regard youth, we have to give them goals apart from only job. That is the problem which has to be addressed, but we cannot make a whole generation to look at job as a goal. Now a whole generation's final goal has become only livelihood. It is a sad taste of reality, but human existence is much more beyond this. And how can we make the youth force as the vanguard of changes? How can we imbue in them with those ideals that will give us a better society? I think for this we need not go on going cultures to the youth. I think more than the textbooks, the youth reads the teacher and us. He read us, scrutinizes us very carefully, and when the teacher teaches, he should not think that he is not being studied more than the book. He is being studied by the student and more than the teacher.